You know my heart. You know my heart.
Hello, it's Channing here. Today I'm coming to you guys for my very first unboxing video. And not only is it my first unboxing, but it's my first unboxing as an ambassador for Hush Cosmetics. And I'm so excited about it, guys. I have a huge package here. If you guys aren't familiar with Hush, they are a web and mobile beauty retailer. If you go on their app, which I actually had prior to ever talking to them, you'll see a lot of products that you're familiar with for a very low price, as well as some things that you've never seen before, as well as some dupes. And if you guys don't know what dupes are, let's say you want this Anastacio Beverly Hills Subculture palette, which is $42. You could get a palette that is very similar to the Subculture for $10 to $12. Like, it's very inexpensive and, from what I've heard, good quality. So I have some products here in this box. Let's see what they send us. Okay. And this is how it's all in there. Ooh, I'm so excited. Okay guys, so our very first product that we're looking at is Unicorn Glow. And I'm going to go ahead and let you guys know that this is the only product that is not made by the company Bad Habit. Bad Habit made everything else in the box except for this one. So let's see what Unicorn Glow is. I know it's a glow kit, and it's the dupe for Anastasia Aurora, which retails for $40, and this is $10. So $10 you can have this. Yeah, she's glowing a little too much. You just can't see it really. Can't really. Okay, it's picking it up. Okay, so these colors are like holographic and duochromes. And this can actually be worn anywhere. So if I want to put this on my elbows, I can. Very pretty. And I love the packaging as well. Next up, I have my Rosé Highlight Palette by Bad Habit. And all of Bad Habit's products are cruelty-free. This retails for $10. This is the dupe for Anastasia Beverly Hills Nicole Guerrero. Whatever palette she had, I'm really not familiar with it. This is very pretty. Ooh, look at that. Look at those colors. Love it. I know I'm going to use this one, y'all. I just have to figure out which one works best on my skin tone. But man, all of those. Everything but the shine, I believe. But hey, it might surprise me. But yeah, I really like that. This is $10, y'all. $10. You have 6 colors, shimmery golds and pinks. Very beautiful. Next up, we have Bad Habit Aphrodite 18 color eyeshadow collection. All the packaging is so cute. Like, I'm really into packaging. I'll have all of these eyeshadow palettes still in the boxes. It retails for $12. It is the dupe for Huda Beauty Rose Gold Eyeshadow, which retails for $65. So just imagine, guys, spending $65 on Huda Beauty or spending $12 on this. Don't you love it? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So we have 18 shades in a variety of shimmery and matte golds and pinks. This is beautiful. Wow. I cannot wait to use this. And the names are so cute. Sparks, Tease, Admire, Flirt, Lust, Romance, Adore, Crush. It just has really cute names. I love this. I already know I'm going to like this one. I'm going to use her up. Bad Habit Athena 18 color eyeshadow collection. She looks like this. to like. Athena is also $12. She is the dupe for Huda Beauty. Oh, Desert Dusk, Huda Beauty. Ooh, that is so pretty, y'all. Oh my gosh, I don't even know if the camera is doing them justice. Like the purples and the oranges. Oh my goodness. You have 18 shades, 8 soft and bold palettes, 6 pearl shimmers, 3 chrome, and 1 glitter. And that glitter is really pretty. It's called Daring. Man, this is so gorgeous. And Huda Beauty is $65. My goodness. Man. Oh, now we have Inferno. Okay, this is the dupe for Urban Decay Naked Heat palette, which retails for $54. And I love the Naked Heat. So, guys, these are so pretty. Look. Oh my gosh. That is so pretty. I'm just loving the colors, like different shades of browns with the whole rust orange. Like, I absolutely love that color. Like, look at my eyes today. 7 rich warm mattes, 4 velvety shimmers, and 1 semi-highlighting matte. Yeah, that's the White Hot. Oh my goodness, Blaze. Gosh, this is gorgeous. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. I think I'm gonna like all of them in all honesty. Now we have Royals. Royals is an eyeshadow palette that retails for $10. She is the dupe for Anastacio Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance, which retails for $42. This is 11 matte colors and 4 shimmery shades of reds and warm golds, okay? This reminds me a lot of the last one. That's gorgeous. Packaging says something. And these, they don't have the actual boxings, like you just slide these in. I like that too. Retro Love is the dupe for the Subculture by Anastacia. The Subculture retails for $42, and this is $10, guys. Oh my god! Oh my gosh, don't y'all love it? Look at that. I just wish you could see it the way that I see it. My goodness, that is so pretty. The colors, they don't look so vibrant from looking at my desktop, but man, this is gorgeous. Fab, Rebel. Man, Peace is pretty. I love yellows. That is beautiful. Oh my gosh, and the Mod. Free Love. I don't even know which one is my favorite because, like, I just like all of them. Aura eyeshadow palette. And this is the dupe for Anastacia Beverly Hills Prism palette, which was $42 and it's now $32. But this right here is $12. Oh, look. Gosh, this is so pretty. Oh, I love it. Energy. Energy. Oh my gosh. Don't you just love it? I promise, when they threw that lime green energy in there, it just did something for this palette. It just catches the eye. Awakening is gorgeous. The Ecstasy, you guys see that? Beautiful. Yeah, I'm in love. I'm loving these palettes as well as the design. And now I have these two. I'm down to Oasis and Paradise, which are both highlight kits. Paradise is for fair to medium. skin tones, and Oasis is for medium to dark skin tones. We have Paradise here, and we have Oasis here. Can you guys see that? I think they're very pretty. They did a great job. I am so happy with how everything turned out. Guys, you most definitely have to go and check out shophush.com. Like, this is insane. Oh, beautiful. Thank you so much, Hush. I love it. And guys, definitely check it out. Like, I'm so serious. Check them out. See what you see on there. And, you know, do your own unboxing and let us see what you're able to come up with. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Keep an eye out for my next video where I'll be using one of these palettes, one or two of them, to give you guys a really gorgeous look. And I'll see you guys in my next one. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and do that. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you liked any of these colors and you remember the names, leave a comment below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.